Outdoor activities where you might be camping, backpacking, or having an adventure must always incorporate certain essentials, and one of them is definitely a camping saw that you could use to gather wood for your camping fire and other needs. However, the size and weight of a full-sized saw can be overwhelming. Thus, the pocket chainsaws evolved in such a way that you can easily carry them in your pocket and can use to cut medium-sized branches with ease. And therefore, in today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 best pocket chainsaws for outdoor activities based on their durability, compatibility, weight, and functionality. So without further ado, let's jump into the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Aims to cut the hardest of the woods into half. The SUMPRI pocket chainsaw is a lightweight and easy portable pocket chainsaw that lets you make your campfire tales even more engaged. The SUMPRI pocket chainsaw. This pocket chainsaw features a 36-inch long chain if you don't include the handle, equipped with more teeth to make your cutting operations way quicker. Cutting with pocket knives takes a lot of energy, and doing it quickly sure is a relief. Besides, keeping campfire in mind, this pocket-sized woodcutter comes with an all-weather fire starter that resists water to make a perfect fire igniter. The whole packet will surely keep you sorted for all your needs for starting a fire. And carry? With its heavy-duty storage pouch, safe carrying is well secured with it. Accidental cutting while carrying? Not happening here. For your ultimate campfire needs, no matter whether it's in your backyard, nearby national park, or even the furthest corners of the wood, SUMPRI pocket chainsaw makes the wood resource available. Bidirectional. Yes, that is how the Sportsman pocket chainsaw functions excellently with its bidirectional teeth, making the cutting operation even more effortless. Featured with a 65 mn carbon heat-treated steel blade, which is bidirectional, this woodcutter is durable and highly functional. Plus, if its sharpness wears off, no worries, as this can be resharpened easily with a 5x32 round chainsaw file for unlimited times. Unlike other 24-inch pocket chainsaws in the market, this bad boy packs a 36-inch chain, which is way larger than any conventional ones. With its larger chain, you can easily cut wider branches with its longer chain strokes, less fatigue, and greater function. Also, this pocket-sized woodcutter comes with a fire starter that you can use in a demanding situation. The added benefit of heavy-duty nylon-made carrying pouch brings convenience to the optimal level. Whether it's a thin branch or a large tree trunk, the Sportsman pocket chainsaw saws through nearly anything with ease. Designed to bring convenience and safety to unexpected emergencies, the Skyocean pocket chainsaw is an outdoor tool equipped with a paracord handle to deal with uncertainties. Unlike most other pocket-sized chainsaws with either a plastic, wooden, or nylon handle, this chainsaw features a 7-inch military-grade paracord handle. You can use it in any survival situation, such as climbing pedals, fixing tents, emergency tourniquet, and many more. Furthermore, the saw features a 24-inch high-carbon steel blade that is capable of easily cutting through thick logs, branches, or even the entire tree at once. Simultaneously, its rapid and precise bidirectional cutting action will make it easy to get the job done quickly. Also, to carry easily, this portable woodcutter comes with a 5.31-inch belt loop pouch that is perfect for carrying with a belt or a bag. Uncertainties are inevitable, and while doing outdoor activities, the possibilities rise even higher. Therefore, the Skyocean pocket chainsaw with paracord handle is a perfect pocket chainsaw to keep you content. Whenever it comes time to saw some logs, the SOS Gear Pocket Chainsaw is a go-to piece of gear for backpacking, camping, hunting, and fishing trips. Packed with a 24-inch chainsaw blade made from high-strength carbon alloy and steel, it offers excellent durability and razor-sharp sharpness for any cutting operation in the great outdoors. Besides, its super strong ballistic nylon handles can withstand any demanding tasks while keeping the chainsaw lightweight and compact. Carry it with its included carrying pouch for enhanced portability. Also, a fire starting kit is included with it for any emergency. Its fire starter features the compass as well as a whistle for your ultimate convenience in survival situations. Whether you're cutting down some limbs for firewood, splitting logs for a makeshift lean-to, or cutting up some branches that have fallen in your way, the SOS Gear Pocket Chainsaw will make the job easier. Designed to make outdoor activities much more straightforward, the Nordic Pocket Saw, a compact and handy wood-cutting tool that wins our spotlight as the best pocket chainsaw you can buy. Featuring a minimalist design, this pocket-sized woodcutter is small enough to carry inside your pocket but powerful enough to make woodcutting rather fun. It boasts a heat-treated high-carbon steel double-cut teeth blade that is sharp and robust to ensure excellent functionality and ultimate durability. Besides, this also comes with heavy-duty nylon handles that will help you use the saw easily while keeping the weight low. Also, a handy nylon case is incorporated with the chainsaw that enables you to carry this trustworthy companion in any outdoor events with exceptional convenience. In case you're always worrying about having chainsaw blades and flexible saws handy to gather wood, choosing the Nordic Pocket Saw as your primary option will satisfy you. So that was our list for the 5 best pocket chainsaws for outdoor activities just for you. Thanks for watching it. Like this video and share it with your friends if you find this helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.